Hello guys. I want to make a cooking video today because it's been a while since we made a cooking video, and this one is cheesy rice, and it is a super duper easy recipe. It is really easy, and all you need is four recipes, and you can put whatever you want in them. This is just how I make them. And what I put in it is this. I use this cheese sauce here. Broccoli, this is frozen broccoli. The kind that I got some Sam's Club, and you put this in the microwave for 5 minutes, and then it should be done, which I'm going to do later. And I have 2 cups of rice in my rice maker, and this is the meat that I have. The meat that I've made, it's already taken out and cut. And here is the meat that I have cut. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. And now what I'm going to do next is I am going to cook them now. And I also have some biscuits in the oven. You don't have to make biscuits. It's just what we do. Alright guys, so I have 5 minutes left with the rice. And the rice that I use is white rice. And I am about to put the broccoli into the microwave. 5 minutes. And now I'm going to put the cheese into the pan.
It's not delivery, it's the struggle. Do you need help?
Yes. Oops. You want to leave my embarrassment in there?
Yes.
Whatever. Anyway, so now I will be putting the cheese. And I always put all 3 in here. All 3 cups. Bottles. Jars. And now I'm going to take biscuits out because they are done. As you see, the biscuits is done. We have the smoked sausage is done. Got the cheese that's already warmed up. The broccoli warmed up. And I have the rice that's done. So now, here is the easy part. Now, literally what you do is stir this up.
Drip, drip. Stir it. Stir it. Stir it up. Stir it.
There. Then you put the pork sausage in there. Stir that.
You hear it. I can hear it.
Then you put in the broccoli.
You shake the broccoli. That poor bag never stood a chance. Never stood a chance. How long and what temperature did you put the cheese on?
It was on 5.
5? Like medium high?
It was like medium.
And we put it on around the same time that the broccoli went in?
Yeah. Alright. When the rice cooker said 5 minutes left, 5 or 6 minutes left, that's when I put the broccoli in, and that's when I started heating up the cheese.
Okay.
And then I put the biscuit in first, before anything, because it takes 22 minutes to cook.
Gosh.
Yeah, 22 to 26.
Yeah, this is a nice, easy dish, right?
Yeah, and there it is. Just dig in and get a plate, get the biscuits, and just eat it. It's very simple. It's also comfort food, so this is probably not healthy.
Probably not, but if it's for a big family, it should be fine. Or like a side dish. If it was a side dish to a main meal, then that should be fine too.
Yeah. Boop.